Okay, so this is our first trial with the elevator marble run, 236 pieces from Joyen, and Nye and I just built this together. It is September 2nd of 2014, and let's see.
2024, not 14.
Oh, 2024.
He
He wasn't born back then. He was born in 2020. Hindsight is 2020. Here, Nye, go ahead, and here's your first marble. Are you gonna get your own marble? Here, take this one. All right, turn it on. Let's see what happens. He turns on gears. All right, and he drops it there. What happens? It goes there, it goes down. Yep, this is what he's supposed to do. Does that, goes down there, and what? All the way down there, and
here. And then he can put it back here to go up.
that's true. You can also drop one down here, like there.
Yeah.
Want to try that? Try this?
I'll say this one.
All right, let's see what that means. If we set it up properly. Ha ha ha. All right, let's try another port. Uh-huh. Yep, okay.
Wait, it's going the same way.
Yep. All right, that's fun. What about this one here?
This one?
Mm-hmm. Nothing?
I'll put, Daddy, I want
Here, put it in this hole here.
this hole.
Yeah. All right, let's go. All right, that one went down there. Okay, what about this hole here?
What hole?
That hole there?
This hole?
Yeah. All right. You go down just like that. There it goes. Oh, now it got picked up. Look. Up it goes, up it goes, up it goes, up it goes, up it goes. And over it goes and down that way. Excellent. Wow. That's pretty cool. All right, you can try a whole bunch of them. Oh, there they go. Yeah, put a whole different bunch of marbles at different times. Endless hours of fun. It's a great game for kids, huh? Yep.
Daddy,
Yeah.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I need more cut.
Yeah. Here, you want to hold the phone for me? Here you go, buddy. That's a lot of marbles you got going there. Oh, you dropped some. Oh, the elevator's working. So we're learning about gravity, and we're learning about inertia, momentum. We're learning about friction at times. We're learning about elasticity and collisions. We're learning about potential energy and kinetic energy. We're learning about iterative design, assembly, trial and error. So many things that you can learn from a game like this. For the rest of them in? Wow, that's a lot. A lot of marbles. Have you lost your marbles?
No.
You haven't lost your marbles? Look at that. Wow, now you got tons of stuff happening. Wow, looks like a sped up solar system. There's a lot of them bunched over there, and a lot of them are caught on the pinkish purple thing over there on that side. There, look, on the other side. You like this game, Nye? Who got this game for you? Tata got it for you. Want to say thank you, Tata? Look at the camera and say thank you, Tata. Want to say thank you? Look at the camera. You want to say thank you? No, you will in a second. Why don't you put those in some of the other holes? That one's overcrowded.
Thank you when I saw Tata on the phone.
Oh, and you saw her on the phone. Well, say it again, because here's a video for her. She can see her excitement. So go ahead and say, Shukran ya Tata. Can you say that? Say, Shukran ya Tata. Look at me and say, cheese.
Cheese.
Now say, Shukran Tata.
Shukran, Tata.
Very good. That was great fun. That's great.